Hello, Mary Bradshaw Coons here, hoping everyone's doing well today. Coming with you today to speak with you about some common reasons for denial of liability or coverage on personal injury claims. The number one reason for denial of liability on personal injury claims is that it was your fault. If you're in a car accident and the police report puts you at fault, or you received a citation for causing the accident, or there's an unbiased witness besides you and the other driver saying that it was your fault, or also if there's videographic evidence showing that it was your fault, those are all common reasons to denial of liability for your fault. The next reason that claims are often denied or the liability denied is not Toy Story, but it's he said, she said. So you report the claim and give your version of the story, and then the insurance company calls their insured and their story doesn't match yours at all. But the only other, there are no other facts, no police report, no video, no other evidence showing who was at fault. Insurance companies do tend to side with their insureds and deny liability there. Third reason that claims can be denied, nope, not for your Fitbit, but because the claim was not timely filed. Insurance policies are often drafted with a specific time in which a claim must be filed. So if you do have an accident or an injury, it's important that you get that insurance information and file that claim immediately. Another common cause, no, not Michael Strahan, but one thing he's known for, that little gap right there, and it's not a gap in your teeth, but it is a gap in treatment. And that could be partial denial, not maybe for liability, but at least for your injuries. Because as the gap increases, the gap in time of treatment, there's an argument that you couldn't have been hurt that bad. That's what adjusters say. Or maybe as that time grew, something happened in between, an intervening cause occurred to make your injuries worse so that you needed more treatment. So you definitely want to be able to avoid that gap in treatment claim and have consistent treatment. And last, is called low impact. Adjusters will often look at property damage estimates, and typically if they're under $1,000, they'll claim that the impact was so low there's no way a person inside could have been injured. So that's where it's very important that you speak with your doctors, explain to them everything that you're going through, everything that you're dealing with. Low impact claims by liability adjusters are very difficult to beat, so you have to make sure that you do everything you can to provide evidence for the injuries that you sustained, even if the car wasn't totally beat up, because your body inside the vehicle was beat up. So again, these are some common causes for denial of liability, either completely or partial. Stay safe out there. Thank you. Bye-bye.